Can you play League of Legends on Linux? So, to answer that question, yes, it is possible to play LOL or League of Legends on Linux. Here are the fundamental concepts: Wine, Lutris, and Proton. Now, for this video, would be using Lutris. Lutris is a gaming platform for Linux that simplifies the installation and management of games. It uses Wine as a backend in many cases and provides a user-friendly interface to install and configure games, including those that are originally designed for Windows. Now, to install Wine, you need to go ahead and enter this command into your command prompt as a developer. Now, after that, to install Lutris, go ahead and enter this command. Now open Lutris, launch the Lutris application from your application menu. In the Lutris search bar, type League of Legends. Select the appropriate entry from the search results. Click the install button and Lutris will guide you through the installation process, which includes downloading the League of Legends installer from the official website and running it through Wine. After the installation is complete, you may need to configure some Wine settings. You can do this by right-clicking on the League of Legends entry in Lutris and selecting Configure. Here you can adjust graphics settings, audio settings, and other parameters. That is the answer to the question if you can play League of Legends on Linux.